Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath, and tonight I want to show you a beautiful kitchen that has been near and dear to my heart. So clients are great, and we wanted to do an arts and crafts home. So check out these cabinets by Waypoint. So they're cherry wood with a light stain on it, and check out the variation in color and grain that just make it look so beautiful. That rich caramel color. So 36-inch KitchenAid range top. So it's a pro appliance. So you got a lot of control on the burners and no knobs here. So you get the full width of the 36. A slate backsplash. So it's kind of special though. If you check out these tiles, I was actually at Disneyland at the Grand California and I saw them and I called my client and I said, do you mind if we use them? And they were all in. So check out that. So don't they work great? The brown goes in the cabinetry color and beautiful sequoia. Wood hood, metal liner, and lots of great storage for utensils and things like that. Check out this countertop material. So this is the latest generation of man-made quartz. So what's great about it is it looks like a real stone. These veins are perfect. And what's also great about it is now they come in jumbo slabs. So we can do these big islands and not have a seam in it. We also have a microwave drawer. You know how I like these. So they're very, very safe and convenient, and they're really great for working, like adding some butter or stirring something or adding some salt to your dish. So we moved the ovens over here and pushed them back into the garage, creating a new wall that gave us some room for the island. This is that 30-inch double KitchenAid oven. So beautiful, right? Nice new bezeling system. Then the KitchenAid 36-inch freestanding refrigerator. So we built it in, so it looks like a Sub-Zero or a built-in refrigerator. We kept the original pantry, but we redid it by adding a new ribbed glass door and a pantry set. Check out some shelving in there. Then we added a beautiful hutch, because this is what you see when you're looking from the den. So beautiful slate tile, big glass, lit up. It's really pretty. So added a new door where it once was a window to give it more light. Then on the main run for the sink, we have a KitchenAid dishwasher, an apron front sink by Kohler, the Delta Touch faucet, and we widened the window and put a countertop on the back side of it. Check out this floor. So this floor is an inkjet technology that looks like slate, but it's porcelain. And what's great about that is it'll never stain and you never have to seal it. Wonderful. So here's the bar. So some fun stuff about this bar is, one, we added a beverage center, and check out this backsplash. So this is a limestone called seagrass, and it's actually mined under the ocean. And what you're seeing in there, well, those are natural fossils. So here's the funnest part, I think. Check out this lighting kit. So we have these special panels that we put in front of the bar. And I probably sketched these things out 15 times. Then I got with the fabricators and the water jet guys and put them all to good use. There, we were able to add some hidden features, like maybe a hidden Mickey. Very cool. Then, because of the step down and no railing, I wanted to make sure there was a big visual cue that there was a step. So we added a track and put LED lighting to highlight the Spanish tiles. Then powder coated it the same as the panels. So they're LED commercial grade lights, so they should last 25 years. Well, I'm Rick Sorsey, and this is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. And I just had a wonderful time working with this client, and they brought great ideas to the table, and we collaborated beautifully. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 661-834-3333. That's 661-834-3333. Thanks for riding along with us. Have a blessed day.